Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So I've been going through my old video and changing oil for the GY6 Chinese scooter here is one of the couple of first time I did the YouTube video. So the camera was bad, I can see it's bad, the light is bad. I barely see in the video I barely see what I'm doing. So today I'm just go ahead and since I'm gonna change my scooter today, I'll just go ahead and do a remake on it. It's pretty simple. Some of the step I'm gonna skip is probably pour in the oil because all you know how to pour in oil, and this thing take about maybe 800 ml. So you can do by yourself. So it's really not hard. Like I'm riding the scooter and also the motorcycle. So since I'm switch back and forth, I didn't put a lot of mile on this scooter. Right now it's somewhere near 4,000 mile. So what I did is I changed the oil. Same thing with my motorcycle. I change oil one time a year, and I change the year oil every other year. So the year oil I use synthetic, so I don't have to worry about that. And anyways, let me show you how to. Uh, if you just bought a Chinese scooter, this is the first thing you should do. Okay, change your oil first before you take the first ride. Okay, so this is how you do it. Pretty simple. And I hope this video is a lot better than my old video, which it should be. As you can see under here, right here is the plug. So all you need to do is it's a 17. So all you need to do is unplug that, and you should drain out the oil. Get the camera down there. It's very simple and easy to do. And it's a 17. There you go. Just one twist, and you got it. Maybe not. Okay, let me get this out. Oh, there you go. Oh, make a big old mess. Like I said, I love doing this, so it's not that bad. It's pretty easy to do. So all you do is let the oil drain, and when you're changing the oil on your scooter, make sure this is a good opportunity just to wipe out your scooter, wipe out all the dirt and stuff like that accumulate when you're riding. So just a good opportunity to clean your scooter. That's all it is. Okay. Now this is what you get when you came out. So this thing don't have a filter, the regular filter that we have, the can filter. So this one just have this mesh screen filter, and all this is gonna do like this. When you put it back in, it's gonna be the plug, this small portion right here. It's gonna be down like this, and the screen is gonna be up on top like this. So this is how you put it up, and then you screw it back in. Look pretty simple, huh? So now is a good time, like I said, it's a good time to check around. You see anything is leaking, just clean it off, and you should be good. So changing the oil in this thing is really simple. It's really easy. Clean it off. Oh yeah, one more thing. So I got this as the aftermarket plug. This is the aftermarket plug, as you can see. They have a little magnet inside here. I recommend that you buy one because the magnet is the original plug, they don't have a magnet. Okay, so you buy the aftermarket and they have the magnet on here. So it's really good. So because it's attach all the metal piece particle that's gonna get stuck into the magnet, so it's so it don't go back into the oil again. So this thing is cheap. So if you first got a scooter, go ahead and get one of these. You just buy one time, and that's it. Easy. Everything's easy in this scooter. How to maintain it. As long you do your maintenance, as long you keep your eye out for stuff, you should be good. This thing is a warrior, so I never have a problem with it. It's a great investment. I own this thing, I don't know, maybe 5-6 years already. Start up every time. The only problem I have this is in my other video, as you can see, one of the cable inside here, the ground cable is loose, so I have to fix that up to get it work. And then I changed the battery because, you know, the battery don't this type of battery is small, so it don't last that long. So I changed the battery after maybe 3 or 4 year ownership of this, and buy the AGM one. And if your spark plug is not an NGK, get an NGK spark plug, because those Chinese spark plug is not that great. And basically that's it. So so all I did is fix one of the ground cable in front, and the battery, and that's it. So that's all I did with this scooter. Oh, and the tire, sometimes the tire go losing maybe 1 or 2 weeks, they losing some psi, some tire pressure. So make sure you check that. And basically that's it. I never have any problem anything else with this. No light bulb problem, no nothing. I haven't changed anything yet, except those things I just mentioned. So now the oil already drained. Now, like I said, this is how you put it back, like this. So all you do is put this back, and then here's the plug for the fueler block plug. Just unscrew it. Put about 800 ml. This one they're using 10W40 use depend on your area. You can use anything less than that, or if it's or some people I saw on U15W40, so not 10 but 15. So you can use any of those. That's fine. Just use a regular car oil. You don't have to use the motorcycle oil since this thing they have a separate gear oil. So it's not like the original motorcycle where the year oil, the year is using the engine oil too. This one is go separate. So this is just a short video and easy to do. Changing oil is very easy. I do one a year, but I recommend you doing like if you doing like anywhere like change it every 1,000 mile or maybe 1,500 mile. And just change the oil. Oil is cheap. It's just one bottle. Okay. So that's it. Just a short video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Okay. All right. Bye.